Hello YouTube, this is Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning new recipes. Today is the cheddar barbecue Texas dog. This week is a theme of hot dogs to celebrate summer, and everyone loves hot dogs. So we have the two hot dogs cooked, organic. We have pickles. We're going to cut those really fine. We got cheddar cheese. We got that Texas barbecue sauce that I used in the burger. And we got organic yellow mustard. But be free to use your own ingredients. Basically, it's the same principle. You're going to be using the cheddar cheese and the barbecue sauce and just a little bit of mustard. You can leave the mustard out if you want. And then we have, again, those potato rolls with the ends cut off. So I already cooked the hot dogs up. I cooked the 4 up, but we're going to use the 2 today. So we'll get started. And thanks for joining me on this journey. Alright, so you see that we have the hot dogs and the potato rolls, but we might remove them to put the cheese down on the bottom. A subscriber on my previous video said something about adding the pizza sauce to the rolls, so it was a really good tip. And I think with this one I'll put the cheese in the roll with the barbecue sauce and then on top. So we're going to start with the hot dogs, the cheddar cheese, and the Texas sauce. So first you're going to want to take this cheddar cheese and slice, take 2 or 3 pieces and slice it into put it into thin slices, and then we'll put it underneath the hot dog, and then we'll put it on top when it's ready. Alright, so I took that cheddar cheese and made it into thin slices, but do whatever you're comfortable with. There's no rhyme or reason to this. It's your cook, and just make the best of it. Make it fun and make it best for you and your family. So we got that. And this is usually only like a 5-minute recipe after the hot dogs are cooked. Alright YouTube, so we're back. We're just going to put some of this barbecue sauce in there. Drizzle a little bit in there. I wish with my pizza dog, when I did it, I would have put the pizza sauce in the bun. It was a good idea. So I got that. Now you're going to take the cheddar slices and put them in there. So do whatever you want. If you want, you could use a couple slices. So I got both of those in there. So we're going to put the dogs back in. And then we'll go to the next step. Alright, so we're back. On the bottom, we have the barbecue sauce and the cheddar. And now we're just going to put a little bit of mustard on, if I can get it out. So you don't want to do a lot. Just do a little, because we don't want to kill out the taste of the barbecue sauce. So we got the mustard down there. If you want, you could take a fork, a knife, or a spoon and spread it out. And then we'll go to the last 2 steps, and I'm going to just throw it in the microwave at 20 seconds at a time. But if you want, you could bake it, or you could put it in a pan with a cover, but it's all up to you. Alright, so we have the mustard down. Now we're going to take another layer of cheese. And we're going to coat the hot dogs. So we have another layer of cheese on there. And now we're just going to add the barbecue sauce. Alright YouTube, so I took that cheese and I actually tucked it underneath the other one. And while you were gone, I diced up that dill pickle. If you want, you could use bread and butter or whatever style you want. But I got that pickle diced. We're gonna put that on at the end. So now we're just gonna want to put on more barbecue sauce. And this will make a nice combination, the cheddar cheese and the barbecue sauce. So put on what you want. You could, like I said, you could use a fork and everything to just blend that together, and then we're gonna put it in the microwave. Alright YouTube, so we have the barbecue sauce on. Like any recipe, we all make everything different. If you want to add more cheese, use less, or even use more barbecue sauce, or use less, it's up to you. So now we're gonna put this in the microwave, and just do it 20 seconds at a time, because every microwave is different. And you want to basically just try to melt that cheese and warm this barbecue sauce. If you want, like I said, you could bake it, or you could put it in a pan with a cover. Alright YouTube, so you got your Texas cheddar barbecue dog. I ended up doing it 70 seconds in the microwave. So you have the blend of the hot barbecue sauce and cheddar cheese. You could leave it like this, or top it with the dill pickle. But there you have it. So it doesn't take long to make a lot of hot dog recipes. But I'm gonna actually top mine with the dill pickles. But it's not the prettiest hot dog, but I can guarantee this tastes good. You can see that melted cheese in there and that barbecue sauce. Alright, so we got this chopped pickle. Dill pickle. Like I said, if you wanted to use bread and butter or something else, you can. Or like I said, you could leave it out. It's your hot dog, so make it the way you want. But that's basically it. Alright YouTube, so that's it. That's your Texas, I can't say Texas today. That's your Texas cheddar barbecue sauce, sorry. But be free to use whatever cheese you want or barbecue sauce. But I found that one is pretty good. So thanks for visiting my channel. Thanks for taking this journey with me. Today is Tuesday. This is a bonus update, bonus upload, and I'll be back tomorrow, Wednesday, for another hot dog. Bring you the pepper relish hot dog. There's not a lot to that one, but I can guarantee you that tastes unbelievable. So I'll be with you tomorrow for the pepper relish hot dog. So please subscribe, hit the bell so you can get the 3 to 5 updates a week. Can you please share this? Share my page. I'm going to try to bring you many more recipes in the future. So be safe. Talk to you soon. Dansoy out. Peace.